Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com, and I'm super excited today because Power Lead System just released a new compensation plan that's really designed to help with retention and help you make more money. It's really, really simple. So this is actually an update. I actually just did an update compensation plan video just, I think like 2 weeks ago. So this is the brand new update of the compensation plan. Super simple, not confusing at all, and I think it's very exciting. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right over. Now, before I get to it, I've been with Power Lead System since 2015. I've been using the products and the tools. If you don't know, Power Lead System is a marketing tools and training platform. The tools are evergreen. The training is evergreen, so you can use this for any business, any product, any service. It doesn't matter. Power Lead System can use for any of that. Okay, so they just created a brand new compensation plan video and page to go with the new plan. And you can actually come here and watch the 3-minute and 35-second video. I'll put that right in my description. You can go ahead and see that. But super simple to understand this, okay? So basically, it's this. You bring in customers. So you become a customer at $30 a month, okay? It's $30 a month. As a customer, you're going to use all the tools that are available. All the tools that are available, okay? Now, you cannot earn from the compensation plan that Power Lead System has until you're an affiliate. And as an affiliate, you'd be paid $53.97 a month. So it's $23.97. $23.97 a month to be the affiliate. So 30 plus $23.97 is $53.97. Okay, so in the past, we had roll-ups. So you would keep your first, pass up your second, keep your third, pass. Anyway, it was really fun explaining that, let me tell you. People had a hard time with that. And the truth is, when you had pass-ups, what happened was because usually you're working with the people that are coming in. They have some type of relationship with you in some capacity. So when they're passed up to other people, they don't typically like that. So I'm really excited about this plan because you keep everybody now. Everybody's on your team. And you also are going to get 50% matching bonus on everyone in your downline. And everyone on your pay line. Okay, so it doesn't matter how many people you bring in. If they go to work and they start promoting and they start plugging people into the trainings that we provide, and keep it simple, they're going to start earning whatever they earn. You earn 50% matching bonus on that, and that is just fantastic. Okay, and they've had that all along, but the difference is now we don't have the roll up. Same with what's cool about this page is, unlike other pages where they didn't have the other products, they actually have the products in here. So you could actually come in here and look and see how much it is, what it pays, what the bonuses are, and all that fun stuff. Okay, so let's just say you have Mary here, and Mary goes out and makes $1,000, right? She makes $1,000 at this gold membership level. You're gonna earn $500 just from her efforts alone. What if you have Sue that goes out and does $2,000? Now you earned $1,000 just from Sue. Let's say Joe goes out and makes $500. You earn $250 just from that. So as you can see, this is very powerful, and this can really add up. And me personally, I wasn't a big fan of the roll-ups. I never really was. Like I said at the beginning, the connection you make with people, and when they're rolled up, they don't really like that. Even though you tell them you're going to work with them anyway, they really don't like that. So it's really great that we get to keep all our people, which is all. And then the same thing applies for the next level, which is free ad secrets, which is just $147 one time, and it pays $100, and you get unlimited $25 override. So what that means is when your team member has this level, this product level, free ad secrets, or diamond, we call it diamond, you're going to earn $25 over and over and over when they make those sales, okay? Social Profit Academy is $497 one time. This is another product, and this one pays $400, plus you make $50 overrides, okay? And then we finally have the big dog, the big one, Master Traffic Institute, is $1,497 one time. That pays $1,000 commissions, and you get unlimited $200 override. So as you can see, it's a very simple compensation plan. There's really no confusion anymore. You refer 3 and you get it free. You're actually earning more than the $53.97 after you refer 3 because, again, there's no roll-ups anymore. So this is very exciting, just in time for the new year, 2019. And I couldn't be more pleased, to be honest. I'm just really excited about this because in 2018, I mean, I've been able to make a full-time income with Power Lead System alone. Actually made more income than I made when I was a full-time credentialed teacher in California. So it's pretty exciting that we get to keep everybody now. And it's really not difficult at all to bring people into this business at all. It's really not difficult. I mean, I've had days where I've brought in like 14 people into my business just from running some traffic. Okay, so that happens. That happens. It's a very appealing offer. And now it's even more appealing just because of the simplicity of the plan. There are no roll-ups. 3 you get free, and then you got the back-end sales. The thing with Power Lead System as well is you can use it to market anything you want. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. You can market anything you want. It has sales funnels that are done for you, ready to go out the door. You just start using them. Put your link, start marketing, follow the training that's already provided, follow the training that we do on Wednesdays and Thursdays, follow the training that I provide in my private group to all my members of my team. So you sign up as a gold member, you get into my private group. I teach you how to really become the attractor factor on Facebook. I have YouTube training. I have all my best personal resources in there. It's designed to help you win, and that's just a bonus I give to my team. So when you sign up with me, you're going to get that bonus, okay? And again, remember, I created a full-time income. I've sponsored nearly 1,000 people in this business over 2018. So I kind of know what I'm doing, you know. I could definitely help you. And it's my goal to get you to $2,000 a month within 6 months, okay? And that's very reasonable. That's something that can very much be done. In fact, you could surpass that. I mean, I've had weeks where I've done like 4,500, 3,500, over 2,000 weeks, just weeks alone, not the month, just the week. And that was before we had the compensation plan like this. So very exciting. I love that they have everything laid out so everybody can see exactly what's here. So there's no mystery to it. Before you had to wait till you got in the back office or watch someone else's compensation plan video. Not the case anymore. This is it right here. What I'll do is I'll drop this video into my description so you can watch it on your own time and see what it's all about. But, you know, Power Lead System, like I said, I've been with since 2015. I have probably about 200 videos on Power Lead System out there. Definitely a product of the product. I definitely vouch for this. It's still my number one recommended income vehicle because of the affordability, because of the evergreen, the tools, the training, everything you can use for anything, because you could plug into any business you want, because you could design your own funnels and really stand out from the crowd, you know, and promote whatever it is you want in those funnels, because of the share codes that allow you to share whatever you create with your team or whoever you want to. There's just so many reasons. The ownership, the fact that they pay on time every time, the fact that people literally come back to Power Lead System after leaving it because it's still standing tall, it's still strong. It's been around for years and years. Started, I believe it was in 2005. I want to say it was 2005 when this started. So it's been around for many, many years. And I just don't see it going anywhere. So this is my backbone business. This is what everything goes through, okay? So you can even get a free trial, free 7-day trial to come in and check everything out. I'm just going to tell you, though, if you're just looking to test the waters, if you're just looking to dip your toe, that's not really going to help you that much. It really isn't. I was able to create a full-time income, and I'll just tell you why I was able to create a full-time income. I was able to create a full-time income with Power Lead System, that's lucrative compensation plan, because I was at the time all in. I was at the time all in. I made the decision to purchase all the products. So at that time, it was gold, it was diamond, and then it was the Social Profit Academy, the platinum, okay, the 497, because at that time we didn't have Master Traffic Institute. So at this level, so you purchase the gold, the diamond 147 one time, and this is a one-time payment as well. Everything else is one-time payments except for gold. When I was able to do this, when I decided to do this, that put me in a position where now I knew I could earn over $500 a customer on the front. Okay, so what I mean by the front is they can go and purchase everything right then. That's not overall though, because when they go out and promote, you got the bonus, you got the overrides, and you got the 50% matching bonus that you're getting as well. Okay, so obviously it's not just, you're not just earning the 500. So let's say they come in, you're not just earning that 520, you are actually earning whatever they make for the lifetime of that customer. And that can really add up. I mean, when you have somebody that's doing like $2,000 a week and you're making 50% match, that could really add up quick, okay? So that's really, really exciting. Anyway, that's all I got. Like I said, I'm just going to put this page right below in the description so you can watch this on your time. And I highly encourage you to go ahead and get started. Join with me, and I'll plug you into my private group so you can get the training and the support so you can really take this to another level. And again, very excited about what's going on. I did a video just the other day about the front end product, the Lead Lightning product that they have, and how they've helped create more conversions, help it create even more conversions, make you more money with what they did as well. And I'll drop that in there as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. I look forward to what's going to happen in 2019 with this, and they have some more updates that they're working on too, I understand. So we'll see what's coming down the line. I'll be sure to update you as soon as I know what it is. But that's it. That's it. Very simple compensation plan. Appreciate you. Go to the green check mark right below this video and go ahead and get started with the free trial. Get plugged in. Let me get you in my group and all that, and that's that. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.